All right, something of a rarity here. This is from Leif in Sweden, and he spelled it phonetically for me. I'm going to do my best to pronounce this. Lasbolaget means the lock company. It's another big Swedish company that was gobbled up by S. Abloy, like pretty much everything else on the planet Earth, I guess. Anyway, nice little lock, very heavy, solid brass construction, and a couple of unique things about this. Well, a unique thing about it, first of all, take a look at that logo. Very cool. Looks like a little owl carrying a key. It goes both ways. Say all together now, like Bill's brother-in-law. So anyway, the nice thing about this one, though, take a look at this. It looks like it might be shimmable. It is a spring-loaded locking pawl, but notice how they've taken the time to machine this down just a little bit, a reduced diameter, so that when that is in, that ledge prevents you from shimming this lock open. So somebody in Lasbolaget was using their beam when they put this guy together. Beautiful bitting on this guy. Got that really low cut one right there in the front, guarding all those guys in the back, and a couple of really high cut ones. So let's see if we can't shim it. I mean, there's no play in this at all. Let's go ahead and see if we can pick it. Try this, see if this will fit. All right, that's the widest one I got. So I'll get these guys out of here. And nice wide open keyway. But I think that ledge will prevent me from using a 25 thousandth. That little ledge is probably going to get, yeah, it's dragging. I can reach the pins, but I feel it dragging on that little piece of warding. So I'm going to take his brother. This guy looks identical except 15 thousandth. So let's try this. Get in there. All right, I'm going to try to hold in the center so focus stays on. All right, see what we got here. I'm going to use moderate tension, try to bully it a little bit first. Okay, I felt a binder on pin 2. And he's the only one. So let's go with 2. Kind of crunching around in there. I felt a click, but I don't have any turn on the core at all. All right, pin 1. Tiny click. I'll take it. Feels like pin 4. Nice click. He's maxed out. Okay, we know we got 1 and 2. Let's check 3. Oh, he's good. All right, there we are, 5. Dragging around in there. Come on. I'm going to lighten up on my tension. He doesn't want to move. There we go. I think we got him. Okay, 4 was still done. All right, where are you? And there we go, 3. And we got to open. Pretty nice lock. I got to say, really good tolerances. Anyway, Leif told me that I can give this away. He doesn't want me to ship it back. So if you'd like to have a Lasbolaget, the lock company, Swedish company lock, put a comment down there, and I will pick one at random and get this thing out of Lock Lab. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal. Leif, thanks for the lock and the other ones that you sent as well. We'll get to those as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.